Class 4 Computer Lesson 4 More on Word Processor Part 1 Formatting a document. Formatting a document means arranging the contents of the document so that it looks perfect when it is printed. So what is formatting? Formatting means arranging all the contents of the document so that the document looks perfect when we print it. A well-formatted document attracts the reader to read the document, whereas ill-formatted document draws the attention of the reader away from the document. So it is very important that your document is well formatted. Then only the readers will be attracted towards your document. Otherwise, if it is not well formatted, then the readers will not have any interest in your document. They will not read your document. So formatting is very important for readers, for people, so that they are attracted towards your document, so that they read your document. Now here in this picture you can see the two documents. The left hand side one is not formatted, but the document on the right hand side, where it is written smart goals with red color, this document is well formatted, it is looking attractive. So if these two documents are put in front of readers, the reader will surely read the right one because it is more attractive. So this is how a well formatted document attracts reader. Setting font. So whenever you open Word document, this form ribbon appears on the top of the screen. So when the home tab is pressed, these four options you will see there: the font box, font size box, font style, buttons, and font color options. So these features are available on the home tab as shown in the figure. Font box. From font box we can set the typeface. So from the font box you can there's a drop down arrow, you can click on that arrow and a drop down list will open of typefaces, or you can say typing style. Like all the children have different handwritings, so same way here different type of designed typefaces are there, so you can choose any one from the list. Font size box. From font size box we can set the size of the font. So how big that font should be, you can select the size, big or small. You can select the size from the font size box. Font style buttons. Font style buttons are used to make the font bold, italic, or underlined. So these three buttons we can use to make either bold, italic, or underline. So these font style buttons give special look to the text. Font color button. This is used to change the color of the text. So whatever color you want to give to your text, you can do it from here, from the font color option. So you have to click the arrow that is given after A, that is underlined with red color. So you have to click the arrow and the color options will come, and you can choose a color for your text from here. Setting typeface. Now we'll see how to set typeface for the text in our document. To set the typeface, first you have to select the text that you have typed, of which you want to change the typeface. Now you have to go to font box. Here is the font box. Click on the arrow that is given in the font box. A list of different typeface will open. You can move the mouse cursor on each and see different typefaces. It will show the preview on the selected text. So whichever suits your document, that typeface you can select. Now I'm going to select few to show you the different typefaces. This is one. Then next one, I'll choose some other one. Now different one. Okay, so this is how you change or set the typeface for the setting font size. Now we'll see how to set the font size of the text in our document. To set the font size, you have to follow the steps. First, select the text that you have typed, of which you want to change the font size. Now we'll go to the uh, font size box. It is given here. Number 18 is written there. Now on the click on the arrow that is given after 18. Different sizes will show. Now we'll move the mouse on top of each number and see what happens. It will show the preview on the text that you have selected. So you can see different sizes that shows in the preview, and whichever suits your document or your requirement, you can choose that font size. Like for example, I'm choosing 22. Next one, we'll choose different size. Now we'll choose smaller size. So this is how you set the different font size for your text, and whichever suits your or whichever meets your requirement, that font size you can set. Setting font color. Now we'll see how to set font color of the text in your document. To set the font color, you have to follow these steps. First, you have to select the text whose color you want to change. After selecting it, here is the font color option. That A is written there, under that red color line is there. Near that one arrow is there. Click on this arrow and then you will get the color palette. When you will move cursor on different colors, the selected text color will change according to the color you are pointing with the mouse pointer. So whichever color suits your document, you can choose that color. If that color which you want is not here, then go to more colors. When you will click on more colors, you will get different shades of all the colors. You can choose from here, it will show here in the preview box. So whichever color you feel is okay, you can choose that color. For example, I'm choosing this color. Okay, so the text color has changed. We'll do with the second line. We'll choose different color this time. Click on the arrow next to the font color box. Here also some colors are given there. If you like the colors, you can choose them. Otherwise, go to more colors and choose any color that you like. Setting font style. How to set the font style for our text in the document. We'll see the steps. Setting font style. When we are working on any document or article, sometimes we need to emphasize on some of the text to show that they are important, they are the heading or subheading or title, or they are somebody's word. So to show this word has three font styles and they are given here. See the cursor where the cursor is moving. One is B, then I, then U. B stands for bold, I stands for italics, and U stands for underline. Now we'll see how to change them. Now we'll select it from the first sentence, Rohit Ray, and then click on B. So Rohit Ray has become bold. It has become darker than other text. So it is showing separately. You can see it clearly. And now we'll do the second sentence. Rohit Ray will do italics. See carefully, Rohit Ray. It tilts or slants sideways, and now it is showing separately. Same thing with the third one. Click on U and the text Rohit Ray is underlined. So this is how you change the font style, and you can practice this in your computers also. Text case. So in order to set the text case for our text in the document, here is ribbon is given here. So in home tab, the symbol or the option that you can see here is capital A and small a. In this arrow, if you click, you will get all the 5 sentence cases that are available in Word document. So from these, you can select the case that you want for your text. There are 5 different text cases in MS Word. First one is sentence case. So according to the grammar, how a sentence case should be, it is set like that, so you can choose sentence case for your document. Then there is lowercase. Lowercase means small letters. So if you have typed in capital, you want to change back to lower, so you can choose this option and make the text in lowercase. Then comes uppercase. Uppercase means capital letters. So if you choose this option, your text will, all letters in your text will become capitalized. Then capitalize each word. This option makes the first letter of each word that are selected, it will make them capital. Only the first letter of each word will be capital. Then comes toggle case. In toggle case, the size of the first letter of each word changes to smaller size. So now we'll practically see how it is done and what happens to the text when we choose these cases. Setting text case. In this, you are going to see what happens in each text case when you choose any one of the text case, what will happen to the text. So see carefully.
Now we'll see how to set the text case for sentences. First we have to select the sentence or the text that you want to change the case for. Go to change case box and click on the arrow and choose the first case, sentence case. See the change in the sentence. The first letter of the sentence has become capital and all other remains small. Now we'll use the second case. Second case, already all letters are in small, that's why no change will show. We'll do the third one. Uppercase, all letters have become capital. Now the fourth one, capitalize each word. When we do this, only the first letter of each word is capitalized and all other remains small. Now we'll do the fifth one, toggle case. Toggle case changes the small letters into capital letter, and if we do it again, now we'll change for this one. Same toggle case, see the difference. The capital letters have become small and small letters have become capital. So this is how the text cases are changed.
Setting text alignment. If you want to change the text alignment, in the home tab, you can see there are four alignments are given there. That is align right, align center, align left, and justify. So if you want to set the text alignment, you can choose any one of the four, and your alignment will be set. So text alignment is the horizontal arrangement of text on a page. MS Word has four text alignment that are, so text alignment arranges the text on the page horizontally. That means from left to right. So to arrange in this manner, you have to use these options. So MS Word has four text alignments, and that are, first one is align text left. That means your text will be aligned to the left margin. Center equal Center will align the text equally far from the both the margins, left margin and the right margin. Align text to right, so text will be aligned to the right margin. Justify, it is to make the text align to both the sides, left side also and the right side also. So these four alignments are available in MS Word. Now we'll see how it is set. Setting text alignment.
Now we'll see how to set the text alignment. Text alignment is the horizontal arrangement of the text on the page. Horizontal means left to right. That means from the left margin to the right margin. Now Word has four text alignments we can see in the paragraph group. Here is a paragraph group and here are the alignments. This is the left alignment, then center alignment, then right alignment, then justify. Now we'll see them how to do it. Select the text, click on the center alignment. Now the text has come to the center of the page. Okay, same space is left on both the sides. We'll see the right alignment. See, the text has moved towards the right margin. So now the text is aligned to the right. Now we'll see the left alignment. When we click on left alignment, the text moves towards the left margin. So this is how we do it. Now we'll see the fourth one. Okay. Now the sentences, in each sentence of some space is left in the right side. So we'll just try to see. When we click on this, both the sides margins are equal. That means the text moves towards both the sides and all the sentences seems to be equal in size. So this is how you change the text alignment.